The richest bank of German was made in 1876 in USA. Federal Reserve System was set up in 1914. The Reserve Bank of India was formed in 1935 and the State Bank of Pakistan was established on July 1st, 1948. Definitions. The guiding principle of central bank is that it should act only in the public interest for the welfare of the country as a whole and without regard to profit as a primary consideration. An institution which is charged with the responsibility of managing the expansion and contraction the volume of money in the interest of the general public welfare. A central bank is a bank which controls credit. The bank which is established to strengthen the credit system, to increase the pace of economic growth, and to promote the welfare of the country. The bank in any country authorized by the government to control the amount of credit and to supervise the operations of the commercial bank. It carries out the business of the government and maintains its account. It controls the issue of notes and country reserves and takes steps to preserve the value of country currency and the foreign exchange. Principle of central bank. Economic stability. Central bank basically works for the fulfillment of financial needs, economic stability, and for the growth of banking system. If any sector of economic face problem, especially treatment is given by the central bank to consolidate its financial position, national interest. The basic objective of central bank is not to earn the profit, rather to work in the best interest of the nation. Central bank always prefers national interest to all other things. Beside it, central bank also purchase the other members bank to work nearestly in the best interest of the nation. Effective policy. Central bank implement effect policy to control the undue expansion or contraction of credit in the country. The central bank use its power to subdue the commercial bank in order to enforce the devised policies. Special authorities. Central bank has special authorities to perform its function effectively. Insurance of currency note, control of credit, and different functions being a government bank, etc. The central bank use its authorities to strengthen the economic of country with the great responsibility. Constitutional limitations. Central bank works according to the framed rules and regulations of the country. Its all dealing always observe